Hello everyone. Today I want to study about the list of items covered during the Chief Officer's weekly safety inspection of ship as prescribed in Code of Safe Working Practices for Merchant Seafarers. Inspection of firefighting equipment such as fire extinguishers, fire hoses, fire hydrants, fire blankets must be in good condition. Fire extinguishers must be properly charged in appropriate position and not to be expired. Fire detection systems must be operational. Testing of fire pumps and fire suppression system, fire doors and dampers functioning correctly. Life-saving appliances (LSA). Inspection of lifeboats, rescue boats, and life rafts to ensure they are properly stowed, secured, and equipped with required provisions. Checking the condition and accessibility of lifebuoys, life jackets, immersion suits, and thermal protective aids. Testing of launching appliances and debits for lifeboats and rescue boats. Emergency lighting and escape routes. No obstructions to embarkation areas. Navigation and communication equipment. Verification of the operational status of navigational lights, signal lights, and sound signaling appliances. Testing of communication equipment such as VHF, radios, radar, EPUB, and charts. Inspection of navigational charts, publications, and electronic chart display and information system. Deck safety. Inspection of deck areas for any hazards, including slippery surfaces, damaged railings, or loose fittings. Verification of the condition and operation of mooring equipment, including ropes, wires, and buoys. Checking the condition of gangway, ladder, and access points. Cleanliness and housekeeping of deck, condition of guardrails, bulwarks, and walkways. Non-slip surfaces, especially in wet areas. Securing of loose gears and equipment. Cargo safety. Inspection of cargo securing equipment to ensure cargo is properly latched and secured. Checking for leaks, spills, or damage in cargo holds, tanks, and pipelines. Verification of compliance with dangerous goods, storage and segregation requirements. Cleanliness and readiness of holds, tanks, ventilation system working properly. Bilge oils clean and operational. No signs of structural damage or leakage. Safety management system compliances. Reviewing records and documentation related to safety drills, training and maintenance activities. Verifying compliance with company policies, procedures, and regulatory requirements. Address any non-conformities or deficiencies identified during the inspection. General housekeeping, checking the cleanliness and tidiness of accommodation areas, mess rooms, and common spaces. Ensuring the waste disposal procedure is being followed and garbage is properly segregated and stored. Addressing any housekeeping issues that may pose safety risk or impact crew welfare. Ensure the safe condition of stairways and handrails, lighting and ventilation, and galley safety. Environmental compliance. Inspection of pollution prevention equipment such as oily water separator and sewage treatment plants. Verification of compliance with MARPOL annexes and other environmental regulation. Reporting any spills, leaks, or environmental incident for prompt remediation. Inspection of oil spill kits available and scrubbers plugged where required. SOPEP equipment's readiness. No leakage of oil or harmful substances. Security measures ensure compliance with ship security plan requirements, including access control, surveillance, and security drills. Verification of security equipment such as CCTV cameras, access control system, and security barriers. Emergency response equipment. Inspection of emergency response equipment such as oil spill kit, first aid kits, and stressors arrangement. Verification of emergency escape routes, evacuation procedure, and master station signage and other safety signage. Personal protective equipment. Checking the availability and condition of personal protective equipment such as safety helmets, safety shoes, gloves, and protective clothing. Ensure that crew members are using appropriate PPE for their assigned task. Mooring equipment. Condition of mooring ropes, wires, that is for wire collision, broken strands. Winches, windlass, brakes, and controls must be inspected. Ferlets, rollers, and beads condition must be thoroughly inspected. Proper storage and safety markings must be placed. Deck areas and general condition, cleanliness and housekeeping of deck areas, condition of guardrails, bulwarks, and walkways, non-slip surfaces, especially in wet areas, securing of loose gears and equipment, lifting appliances and gear, inspection of crane, drakes, and associated wires, hooks, shackles, and blocks and sling, valid test certificate and marking of safe working practices. Safe working load must be clearly visible. Any visible defects or damages. Hatch covers and access points. Condition of hatch covers, ceiling arrangement must be inspected and good condition. Hydraulic system and cleats. Safety of ladders, handrails, and access hatches. No oil leakage or obstruction. Electrical safety, condition of cables, plugs, and sockets. No exposed wiring. Portable electrical equipment checked and safe. Explosion proof fitting in hazardous areas.